I'm really pleased to introduce you to the Earth Stories videos produced by the Society. Our experience of COVID and the lockdown taught us that we can produce material from global specialists on sustainability themes from anywhere on the planet without having to burn any kerosene. We wanted to keep this going, so we've invented this series of 20-minute short talks that engage with themes of environment, development, and sustainability. A thread running through all of them, not always explicit, is that one way or another, the people we've invited to talk to us are able to help fill out how humanity can deliver on the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. The SDGs can be understood as humanity's plan to create a livable, sustainable planet for everyone through the course of the next couple of decades. So we're going to be asking people who can help fill in different parts of that story.